You need to do overhaul entire thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. The cost is probably around like 4 and 5 mil.
Huh?
Yes.
Why?
Very, very bad.
On my Mio GP adventure from Medan to Timor Leste, I arrived yesterday in Jakarta. And man, this city is pure madness. The traffic, the constant gridlock, it's a total shock to my system. See, I'm just an Austrian country boy. Back home, when I step out of my front door, I'm basically standing in the middle of the forest. But here, it's just endless shopping malls, and that is just not my world. And then I got the ultimate bombshell. The mechanics want 4 to 5 million rupiah for repairs. That's literally what this bike is worth. Now I'm standing here wondering if I should just call it quits. Is this the end of the Mio GP adventure?
Ride the Mio, ride it free, chasing dreams.
So after this bad news, I went here to the shopping center, bustling fashion store. Yeah, they offered me 4 to 5 million for the general overhaul of the bike. So yeah, that's too much. So I asked them for alternatives, and they said I can go to like another. They don't use branded spare parts. Yeah, maybe I was just fix this bike and try to go there. He's hiding himself now. Now I have checked out another workshop, Mr. Mont here in Jakarta. Hello, sir. And they make a checkup. Let's see, maybe they can fix it. I also asked for a bike, maybe to change, but yeah, let's see. I think I will just do the minimum and just go, and if the bike is dead, I will just leave it. But they are really friendly here, so that's nice. Yeah. So my scooter is finished. I'm curious to see how long does it take. Mr. Montier, thank you guys.
Okay, thank you.
I hope I can go to Timor Leste. And he has the nicest hair from the whole company. Yeah, thank you. She's still not in good conditions. Seems like so loud and noisy. I don't know, I thought it's the transmission, but it's not. So let's see. I decided now just continue, and yeah, if she dies, she dies. I don't care. I'm here almost in the center. It's quite silent area, and I'm going out for dinner. I'm hungry. I didn't have proper lunch today. I was really pissed, you know, and I want to eat some street food. Oh, I think this is corn. Hello, thank you. So let's see what they have here. Oh, these are sweet things. Bagels, some fried toe. Oh, I think this is meatballs or something. Chicken. Yeah, I don't know what do you think, but for me the street food here in Jakarta, in general in Indonesia, is not really invitable, right? This is the soup, bakso with the meatballs, satay. Here they have, I don't know, fried vegetables. I'm not sure. Honestly, I didn't see anything what turns me on. This is really the problem here in Indonesia, because there's nothing really nice from the food prepared. Mostly it tastes really good, but your eyes are making the decision, right? So let's see. I will just walk a bit around. Maybe I'll find a proper restaurant to spoil myself after this bad news from Yamaha that they said they want to make a general overhaul and the scooter is almost dead. I walked in the wrong direction. I entered in these small alleys here. Kind of not scary, but yeah, I don't know. You see a bit of local life here sometimes. Yeah, it's crazy how people live here. Some places are very dirty, some are quite nice. But I think now they all went to pray or are going to pray because the muezzin was praying now. Walking as a foreigner in Jakarta in an area I don't know. Maybe it isn't a good idea. When they had these demonstrations here, it should be silent. I'm really a bit tired of eating this Indonesian food, so I'm going here to the Tamrin city. I have the feeling I eat just chicken and chicken since I'm here. Bakso restaurant. Yeah, I decided now to eat something new for me, and this is Tongseng sapi. Oh, this is what I got, Tongseng sapi. She asked me for rice, but to be honest, I'm also tired of rice. Rice, baby. Very tasty. Beef, tomatoes, garbage, and chili.
After that small transmission repair, I stayed a couple of days in Jakarta to work on my videos. But to be honest, I did literally nothing else. Jakarta is just not my place. It's crowded, it's dirty, and it's just crazy huge. Coming from the Austrian countryside, this is just too much for me. But because the Mio was such a legend and survived the madness of Sumatra until Jakarta, she is getting a special bonus. She is getting an upgrade. But the real challenge is just beginning. Will we survive the rest of Java? Stay tuned and subscribe for the next episode. Thank you. Terima kasih.
Mio GP! Start the morning, keys in my hand, maps in my pocket, I'm chasing